Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with another driving video. We're starting at this smaller plaza right here in Morton Park area. So just a few shops, pharmacy, restaurant, water store, auto parts. Not a big plaza. We're looking at Molynes Road now. So it's another community drive. If this is your first community drive, this is one of the type of videos we do, along with drone videos, apartment review, road construction update, you know, new construction alert, all type of videos. So subscribing to the channel and showing your support is free. It doesn't cost to subscribe. So subscribe, join Raymore Reviews, where we do a lot more review videos, driving video, you name it. Try to put up at least one video per day to keep you guys informed and entertained. So we're on Molynes Road, and the first place we're going is Landford Terrace. That's just after you pass Bird's Auto, which is on the right. That's that yellow top building you're seeing. That's Bird's Auto. They have been here about 3 years now. Constructed the building from scratch. So it's a community drive. We'll be driving on different roads off Molynes Road. So this is Landford Terrace. This is the first turn right beside Foxlaw Electrical and Lighting. Church is on the left. This road was recently paved, that's why it's so nice and smooth. So all the areas we'll be touching is basically the Molynes Gardens area. I've never driven on these roads before, so that's basically the plan with you guys. To the right is Bayardo Avenue. Then the next ride coming up is Foxlaw Avenue. So as I mentioned, it's another community drive, just showcasing these areas in Molynes. The left would have brought you to a dead end. Residential community, not the most upscale, but you know, decent residential community. 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, older type homes. Some of them has been refurbished, upgraded, you know, probably to get more on their rent. Then we'll take this left, which will lead us to a commercial area. So that big building in front of us is a BPO currently being developed. I did a drone video of it before. I'll put that in the comment section for you guys. So that's a BPO right around here on Chalmers Avenue. Sports to the Sports Max Broadcasting Network. So I'll put that link for that BPO in the comments. You know, when they were about 3/4 finished, but they're almost finished now. So we're now on Chalmers Avenue. Heading back out onto Molynes. There's a house that I want to show you guys. I shouldn't pass it, you know. I think it's very coordinated. I like the colors, you know, the perimeter fence matching the house. So I'm gonna drive in the driveway for you guys. Alright, the perimeter fence matching certain sections of the house. Sorry. I'm gonna go in the driveway for you guys, then reverse out. First time I came around this side, it really caught my eyes in terms of the uniqueness of the colors and everything. So this is it. think I like the design. It was upgraded. So this is one of the older type homes that they would have upgraded. Even like the gate as well. What do you guys think though? You guys like this one? Let me know. Like the brick pavement as well. Alright, so we'll head back out onto the main. So this road is on the other side of Foxridge. So we have one road to the left, one road to the right. In front of us you have some warehouses. Beside warehouses, Our Lady of the Angels Prep School. Alright, so we're now gonna take the right onto Mapleleaf Avenue. Not sure how many of you guys have been on these roads before, but let me know in the comment section if you have, you know, tried this side of Kingston. If you grew up in this area or even still living in this area, have a friend or family member, let us know in the comment section. So another upscale community, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. Prices starting around 25 mil Jamaican dollars. And this is Mapleleaf Avenue. I think it's one way in and out though. I think it leads to dead ends, but we're gonna find out because this is the last road we're going on for today. So we'll definitely find out. Well, this is basically no road, it's literally stones. You know, some of these, you know, quiet communities road, you know, get deteriorated for years and nothing changes. Alright, so we see a 2-story house here. It seems to be designed as an apartment or multi-family living. Also, alright, so it's not one way in, one way out. I see an exit, so we'll exit on that road. So this is a dead end right here, so we'll just turn. So even this looks like a 5-bedroom or even a 6-bedroom in front of us. From time to time when someone buys them, they just give it an upgrade, you know, some TLC. So before I exit, I'm gonna go to that end, show you guys a gated townhouse complex. Alright, so once we head down to that, then we'll come back this side, then exit back onto Molynes Road. Personally, first I'm driving on a few of these roads, especially this one. I think I've come to here before, but not past this point. So a gated complex in front of us, townhouse design. So let me get the reverse for you guys. So it seems to go around the corner, so good amount of apartments. It's called Mapleleaf Muse. It's gated as well, right here in the Molynes area. Alright, so let's head back down that side and then we head back out onto Molynes, then we'll end the video there. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this community and the other roads we were on before. Leave your comments. Remember to like as well. Don't forget to share the video so that other persons can see what's happening in Jamaica, especially persons overseas, even persons in Kingston as well. You can't go everywhere, so these videos will keep you abreast of what's going on. So remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Without a doubt, you'll be seeing a lot more driving videos, so stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching, guys. We're back on Molynes Road, and I'll see you on another driving video.